How to find direct messages and calls notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find direct messages and calls notification settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and then click these three lines and stop, and here you will find settings, and then click this one here, notifications. Now click this one, direct messages and calls, and as you see here you can manage direct messages and calls notification settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.